Tuberose is a very beautiful flowering plant, and the most attracting thing in this plant is its fragrance. In this video, we will discuss about the most important tips to tuberose care. We will talk about its growing season, soil requirements, the best watering technique, most common problems with their solutions, so keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Tuberose is a flower-producing summer season, permanent plant, that originate from the Mexico. Tuberose plant grow grass-type leaves, and usually in rainy days, a long spike came out from the center of the plant with around a height of a feet or two. Such type of beautiful white-colored flower buds appears, and as they bloom, their fragrance fills up your whole garden. You can grow tuberose plant as the spring season starts, from their bulbs. They are the warm area plants and became dormant in winters, due to decreasing temperature. With a climate of mid-range temperature, you can grow them as a totally permanent outdoor plant, but in low-temperature climates, you have to grow them as an annual flowering plant. Growing tuberose plant is as easy as we can grow it with a very little care, and still enjoy their beauty. The tubers or their bulbs keeps on dividing under the soil level, and such type of multiple plants appears on upsides. It means they are easy to propagate too. Just take a good care of this plant, and it will continue on dividing itself. You just have to brought them to your house once, and they will live there for years. To get more pups or the bulbs, you need to provide it a good soil mix, on which we talk after a while. First, let's talk about a few very important caring tips for tuberose plant. As tuberose plant is a summer season flowering plant, then it is obvious to provide a good amount of sunlight to it. The whole process of buds formation and flowering depends on the amount of sunlight you are providing. Provide at least a few hours of direct sunlight to your tuberose plant, for a healthy and consistent growth. Without sunlight, they aren't going to produce buds and flowers. Deficiency of frequent amount of sunlight also makes the plant to slow down its growth. So make sure your tuberose plant is placed in a well-lit sunny spot. In hot summer days, a semi-shaded area works well, but otherwise provide minimum 4 to 5 hours of sunlight. The next thing in tuberose care is the soil quality. As tuberose plant have tubers or bulbs inside the soil, therefore a good mixture promotes a healthy growth of these bulbs. And a compact or water-blocking soil mix can lead to stem rot or root rot problems. So you have to provide a good soil mix to your tuberose plants. They loves to have a sandy soil mix, not too much sandy, but a well-draining loose mixture works great. Water shouldn't block and have to drain well, so your plant keeps its growth continue. You can check out a good soil for tuberose plant added in the description box. Otherwise you can use any mix, only make sure it's draining properly. Similarly, watering in a correct way helps to promote new growth on tuberose plant. You can water tuberose on alternate days, daily in summers. Just make sure water is not staying in the soil for a long time. If you are using a well-draining mix, then you don't have to worry about this thing so much. The best way to water is to check the soil moisture level before watering. Overwatering causes root rot problem in tuberose, so be careful. For healthy and consistent flowering on tuberose plant, fertilizer also plays a big role. Tuberose plant is a heavy feeder that requires variety of nutrients to grow well. A slow-release, phosphorus-enriched fertilizer works just perfect. You can also use some professional fertilizers, but our homemade organic NPK fertilizer works amazing, and you should try out that. A complete video on applying and making this fertilizer is added in the description box. You can check out that later. Just keep fertilizing tuberose plant every 20 days, especially in its growing season. They produces flowers starting from springs up to late summer days, so fertilizer is very important to keep the plant away from deficiencies. Otherwise such type of brown and yellow tips appears on them. You can also check out a detailed article on caring tuberose plant, added in the description box and on our website puregreeny.com. If we talk about their dormancy time, in winter season frost don't let them grow and they dies from upsides, but still their bulbs or tubers are alive under soil. And they will grow again as the spring starts. You can store their tubers in a dry place, otherwise just let the pot on its location as it is. You can also move the tuberose plant indoor in the starting winter days, so the plant keeps on growing. If we talk about the pests and problems in tuberose plants, they aren't so much. Tuberose plant is not a fragile plant as the other, but still spider mites, aphids, thrips etc. are found to be attacking, but not so much frequently. The all-in-one prevention is to use a neem oil pesticide spray every 15 days on all your plants. Detailed videos on making and applying are added in the description box. For the diseases, root rot, stem rot, bud rot etc. are found, that are caused by fungal growth. To prevent this thing, make sure water is draining properly, air circulation around the tuberose plant is good and you are fertilizing them regularly. So this is the video on Tuberose Care. Follow up all the tips and get beautiful results. For making organic NPK fertilizer for tuberose, you can follow up this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.